I've been in Melbourne for a week, so I've been looking for alternative things to do than quad bikes. This is a little Makita battery-powered soldering station that I designed the 3D print for a year or so ago. I use this on the desk. I've just turned that on and it's getting up to 300 degrees in a matter of 8 seconds or something, so that tip is ready to go. You've seen me use it for making neutral switches. I made a video about them back 12 months ago. I've decided to buy in some more of the kits that I start with. It comes in a little box like that, and the soldering iron and T12 tip comes together. I print up a two-part print, a top print and a shoe that suits the Makita batteries, and then I also buy in a piece that makes the contact between the battery and the soldering station. I'm currently printing on my little Ender 3 3D printer two soldering station top bodies. I've bought in 5 kits, so I'm making up 5 new soldering stations. For Christmas time, I'm basically going to be selling them or giving them as gifts. It's just a little thing I'm doing on the side to fixing quad bikes at the moment. I've showed this Makita battery powered hot air gun that I use for heat shrinking. It was a cheap Asian import. The combination of the battery powered soldering station and the battery powered heat gun means that I've got a portable solution. If I'm out wanting to solder something on the quad bike, for example, I don't have to set up power cords and take a mains powered heat gun or soldering iron to the quad bikes. I can take it out on the farm. It's a completely portable setup. I can do most of this on my study desk.